Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't know, first of all I feel super nervous. I don't know why. I feel super nervous because I have family over and this is the first video that I'm doing with them here. Anyways, let's just get into this. So today I'll be doing an IPSY unboxing for you for the month of August 2019. I already went into this box and this is the look that I was able to create with the products that I had. As you guys see, as we go along, it'll be a hot mess, wait, can you even hear me? Let me turn off this fan. This video is going to be a bit different because as I go through how I feel about each product, I'm going to show you what I did, how I applied it to my face and so on. And jeez, this place is so hot. Anyways, so here we have our IPSY Glam Bag Plus box for the month of August, and this box costs $25. You get 5 full-size products, and what else? There's nothing else to say. Nothing else to say about this box. But I really enjoyed last month's box. Like July was my first box, my first IPSY Glam Bag Plus. That was the first one that I ever got, and this is the second one. And before we even go into it, I really preferred last month's box. I think yes, I preferred last month's box over this month's box. So let's just get right into it so you guys can see what I actually think about each one of these products. So the theme for the month of August is Bear Yourself, and the first thing in this box, we have 5 products. As I said, we have 5 products. The first thing we're going to look at in this box is the Ahava Hydration Cream Mask. Now this is infused with Dead Sea water. This minimal rich mask helps brighten and hydrate your skin while drawing out impurities. Does your sun-parched skin need a little extra TLC? This rich formula also works overnight to hydrate skin. The cost of this is $33. And when I put this on my face, while it was there sitting on my face for that 5 minutes, it felt so hydrating. Like it felt, to apply it first of all, it is so creamy. It's like rubbing lotion on your skin. It feels amazing. I have oily skin, but oh, this felt so good. And then when I washed it off, it didn't leave my skin feeling dry or stripped. It felt like I did have moisture in my skin. I really love this mask, and even though I just left it on for the 5 minutes, I think that tonight I am going to use this Tonight I am going to put this on and leave this on overnight, and I'm going to see how it feels in the morning. But I really enjoy this mask. So the next thing in the box is, what was it? This nail polish. So this is from Smith & Colt, and this powder pink polish is the Stuff of Dreams, super shiny, chip resistant, and aid-free, aka no harmful chemicals. Plus, it's cruelty, paraben, and phthalate. Wow, I spat saying that. Phthalate free. The unique handle was designed to look rough yet refined. To remove, so you have to remove this gold cover, and you see this smaller, easier to handle cover. So I applied it to this nail. It looks white on camera, but it is very pale pink. And look what I did. I smudged it. I smudged it. I forgot I put it on my finger. I did my entire face of makeup and I I forgot that I had it on. I did my whole face of makeup and then I remembered. So I smudged it, but it's a nice color. I really like this color. It's a really nice color. I have a nail polish that has this similar color, which is this one, and it's by Naked 9. It has a very similar, like, I don't even think you guys did, but see, they're very similar in color. This one is a bit pinker, but when you apply them to the nail, they're identical. Identical. And that costs $18. So the next thing we have is this brush set by Farah. Farah brushes, Show Me Magic Eye Brush Set. Quality brushes change the game. Created by a team of beauty lovers, Farah eye brushes feature luxe synthetic fibers to take your shading, blending, and cut creases to the next level. This 5-piece set is 100% vegan and cruelty free, so you can get that feel good glow up. So, my friends, this brush, first of all, before I even tell you the cost of this brush set, these are the cheapest feeling brushes. No disrespect to the wonderful people at Farah Beauty, but these brushes are plastic brushes. I'm sure you could get brushes just like this off of Amazon or AliExpress or Wish, but let's compare it to my $1 brushes. So these are my AOE brushes, wooden brushes, wooden. You hear that? This is plastic. And do you know how much they're selling this for? Do you know how much? This $50. You at the back there, you heard me right. I said $50. Honestly, if you know how much things I could buy with $50. If you were thinking to go run and buy these brushes, don't. If I didn't get this in this box, if I didn't get this in this box, nothing in this world would make me buy these brushes for $50. That means $10 per brush. Anyways, so I use the brushes to do this makeup look, and they're not the best quality. I don't think they're the best quality, honestly. Honestly, I don't think it's the best quality. So just, if you're thinking to buy this, just save your money. But I feel that these are horribly overpriced. $50? Nah. Somebody's lying. Anyways, let's move on. So the next product we have is from the Balm. It's the In the Balm of Your Hand Greatest Hits Volume 2 palette. This palette, I feel victimized. So what does this say? It says, endless looks in one sleek palette, from eyeshadows and blushes to bronzer and highlighter. This baby has it all and then some. We love how portable it is, so we'll be packing it for all the summer weddings, long weekends away, and more. Who is this bronzer supposed to be for? Who is this bronzer supposed to be for? I feel victimized because I feel like IPSY did not cater to me or any other dark skinned person. Who is this supposed to be for? Not me or anybody darker than me. No. When I took the quiz, they asked what was my complexion. I said I'm dark. I'm dark. I'm dark. The darkest one, the darkest option they had, I said I was that. So who is this for? Anyways, I just decided to use the bronzer as an eyeshadow. So that's what I did. The blush, it's pigmented. The blush is pigmented, especially the one that I used. That one was pigmented, but it looks very ashy on me. All of these highlighter, these color, this palette was not made for my skin tone. Let me tell you, this palette was not made for dark skin girls, and that's okay. That's fine. That is fine. It really doesn't bother me, but I just feel like when IPSY was curating this box, they should have focused on if the palette would be useful to persons of all skin types. Will a dark skin person be able to use this? And no, I can't really use this. This will now have to be another eyeshadow palette for me. So even though, you know, I would have been super excited if I could have used the bronzer, because I would be able to walk with this everywhere I go. Anywhere I go. Now I can't. No, I can't. Anyways, it's an okay palette. It's an okay palette. And now for the last item in the box is this. This came out of the box. This box came flattened, so I did my best to try and put the box together, but I ain't the brightest bulb in the tool shed. So is that even the saying? Whatever. So this is an oil slick. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys how much for this palette. So this palette is $32. $32. Okay. And then the final thing is Tokyo Milk Blush Oil Stick. Infused with mango butter and apricot oil, this creamy red blush stick glides on for a gorgeous flush that looks good on literally everyone. It's super buildable, so you can level up from a subtle glow to a deeper shade in a flash. And this is $24. Now you see where this is that it is for literally everyone. This is for literally everyone. This has so much. This has so much pigment. Like you can build this up, and it's easy to blend out, because when I first put it on, it looked like I had two red dots on my cheeks literally looked like red cherries, but it blended out so nicely. Like this, I love this. And this can go for persons darker than me, persons lighter than me. This can go for everyone. It just depends on how much you apply to your face. Like I really like this. Okay, so let us total up to see how much this box costs. So this box totals up to $157, and you are saving $132. So you pay $25 and you get $157 worth of product. So how do I feel about this box? 50-50. My favorite products are the Smith & Cold nail polish, the Tokyo Milk, the Tokyo Milk blush, and the Ahava hydrating face mask. These are my favorite stuff, and this alone covers the cost of the box. What am I talking? And this fan is on. Sorry. So I really hope you guys heard what I said. Anyways, my favorite products, these, and my favorite product from this box is this. I guess you guys have figured out what my least favorite products are. this brush set and this palette. This palette had the chance to be great, but it chose not to cater to everyone, and that was the palette's fault. The balm, please, you need to have deeper shades for deeper skin tones, okay? Alright, that's all I'm saying. That is all I am asking for. If this was deeper, I would have loved everything in these box, because maybe that would have helped out these brushes. Maybe the pigment in here would have helped these brushes do something. But these brushes are overpriced. They're plastic. They are plastic. You cannot be lying to us to tell me that this is $50. This is not $50. This is not $50. That is that. I am feeling very hot and buttered. So, my friends out there, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please press that thumbs up button. Yes, that's it. Press the like button. Subscribe to my channel. And click the bell. I did it. Click the bell, so that you're notified every time I upload a video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Have a faithfully blessed day. And please let me know down below if you like the way that I did this video better than the one I did last month. So thank you guys for watching once again. I should shut up now. Okay. Bye guys.